Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a talkback shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find talkback and its shortcut. Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and at the top we have talkback. Talkback shortcut. To enable it, we have to allow this, yes, turn on, and now our talkback shortcut is turned on. How does it work? Volume keys. Press and hold both volume keys up and down for a few seconds. Let's see if it works. So let's hold our volume keys. And talkback is now turned on. The shortcut works. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.